Here's the brick. Hi, my name's Joe. And here's the brick show. So let's have you to build an iPhone, Apple iPhone. So, okay, we start. Take this piece. Take just take a button for the Apple. Take this button. Put it here. That. Take a piece like this. And another one. Excuse me. And then we need these parts over here. Wait. Take another piece like this here. That. Take a piece like here. And then what you do next is take this piece. Take and wait up right there. Just come there. Wait. Okay, wait. Excuse me. And then we need all these parts. Line them up. Excuse me. Mom, say excuse me.